Hey, hopefully, with what I teach you in the next few minutes, you're going to be able to pronounce some of the words in this book. It's basically like a Yoruba Harry Potter, but I like this more because it kind of has a Yoruba culture woven into it. So hang about for that. Okay, so there are 3 accent marks in the language, and there's a 4th one which is basically a combination of 2 of those 3. As I said in the alphabet video, the language is very tonal, and with these accent marks, you'll start to see why that's very important. And in fact, a really easy way to learn it is if you actually link it directly with music. So we can call the 3 accent marks the low, mid, and high. The low would be do, the mid is re, the high is mi, do, re, mi. I hope that's how it goes. But you get the idea. It's low, mid, high. If you actually find a keyboard that you can use, you might be able to follow a bit better. I mentioned the 4th accent mark, and it's a combination of the ami isale and ami oke, and it literally is do mi, so do mi, but that's basically it. And in Yoruba you call them ami isale low, ami arin mid, and ami oke high. So these accent marks are applied to the top of the vowels in each syllable of a Yoruba word, and that makes it very easy to identify how a word should be pronounced. There are also nasal vowels. There are different types of vowels. There are the oral vowels, and then there are the nasal vowels. Nasal vowels are a bit more complicated, so I'll talk about that later. But the oral vowels are the basic ones. The oral vowels are a, e, I, o, u. So now I'm going to use the accent marks for each of the vowels. So here goes a, 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 e, 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 I, o, u. So, time to pronounce some words from here. There'll be the names of the clans. They have a theme. It's basically different elements, like in Avatar or Shaolin Showdown. Some of them are a bit dark, so I won't name those ones. As I go through naming them, I'll put the words on the screen before I say them. You can pause the video before I say it and then try and guess how it should be pronounced, and then that way you're learning something. So the first one is the Emi clan. Emi means spirit. The first letter is E, because the accent mark goes down, so it's the Ami Isale, which is the do, and then the accent mark on the I goes up, so it's the ami oke mi, so it's mi. The next one is the Omi clan. Omi means water. The interesting thing here is there are no accent marks, but where you see a vowel that has no accent marks, that means that it's the accent mark that would be there is the mid. It's just a dash, so it's just left out. Amiari is the re, so Omi. There's also the Ino clan. With the I, there's no accent mark, so that's the mid. So it's re, I. With the I, it's the amioke, which is the mi. So I, no. And then you've got the Afefe clan. The first vowel is A, which would have a mid accent mark, the amiari, which is re. The second and the third vowels are the same vowels with the same accent mark, amioke. So that's the mi, a, fe, fe. So re, mi, a, fe, fe. Also in here we have Imole clan. So the first vowel is the I with the ami isale, I. The second vowel is the O with the ami oke, mi. And the last vowel is the E with the ami isale. So the whole word would be I, mo, le. Yeah, they spelled this wrong. They spelled it wrong. Obviously, I'll put the correct spelling on the screen, but in here they spelled it wrong, so I got a bit confused. The next one is the Iwoson clan. So with the 3 vowels in there, the first one is Amisale, second one is Amisale, and the third one is Amisale. Iwoson. Ariran, Ariran. The last one is the Eranko clan. The fourth accent mark, the one that goes do, mi. A couple examples of words that use this fourth accent mark. The first one is ya, and it was really quick there, but I'll just break it down. So it goes ya, ya, ya. That word is a word to say to draw or to take a picture. So for example, if you placed an object in front of you and you had a piece of paper and a pencil and you were sketching or whatever, and someone asked you what are you doing with that orange, then you'd be like mon ya. The vowel is a, and the accent mark is the fourth one, the do, mi, mon ya. Another one is ra. If there was something in the store that you'd been looking at for a long time and you now just bought it, someone might ask, who got this thing, who bought it? And you'd say, I bought it. And Yoruba, that's Emi ni mo ra. Emi ni mo ra a. Yeah, there'll be other examples, but those are the ones I can think of for now. Mon ya, mo ra. There's this drum called a token drum. In Yoruba, it's called gong, and it's shaped like an hourglass. And essentially, by changing how hard you're squeezing on the drum whilst you're beating it, you can regulate the pitch of the drum to match these tones, so that it kind of mimics human speech in Yoruba. And it's actually a very popular practice. So you see this at many functions like parties, weddings, and so on. Yoruba parties, weddings, definitely. The really skilled players of this drum can play whole phrases and even whole songs, and people will instinctively recognize the songs that these guys are playing just because it matches the tones and they can hear it.
Oh, Tosin, well, can't the same combination of sounds be used to mean different words? Wouldn't people just be confused?
Well, no, because people already know the songs because they're really popular. So yeah, hopefully when you see some other Yoruba words with accents on them, you can actually pronounce them now because you understand what the accent marks are. Do, re, mi. Yeah, that's it.